Alright guys, new opening today. We have Dorado. We have a display box here. We're going to pull only the best stuff. But let's get started. We'll start with one maximum gold. What are you guys looking to pull?
Everything. No, seriously, everything. Why the hell not?
Access code.
Access code?
Access code.
Somebody mentioned access code.
Downward magician becomes low rarity, boys.
Are you actually going to pick it up?
I kind of need one, so yeah.
Alright, look at the packaging. Look at this Mayan gold.
Wow, waste of packaging.
4 stunning packs.
Careful.
Alright,
This one's beat up, so it's got to be something good. This time, keep the camera still.
I'll try.
Prank Kids. Oh, they're all in here. Prank Kids.
Yeah, all the Prank Kids are in here.
Super Dreadnought. Fossil Dyna. Oracle of Zephyra. Who's this guy?
C100. Numeronus?
Oh, he's a Numeron monster.
Yeah, Numeron.
Yep, that was from the
Giant Rex and
Japan
Shooting Code Talker.
That was from the numbers collection that they got over there because we don't get cool things, I guess.
We have Maximum Gold Dorado. We're living life right now. Cyframe Driver. Invocation.
Sick.
Who's this? Weather Painter.
Painter, my favorite.
Trap Trick. Ooh,
the fancy Golden Lord.
That looks nice.
Chill.
Eldritch the Golden Lord.
He's comfy.
And Firewall Dragon.
Finally, a low rarity printing.
Low rarity.
That's what BLS needs.
Newer
Ava,
run.
right after it gets hit, of course. Starlight Road, unnecessary reprint. Hot Red. Lampsies. Vivekaba. Giant Rex.
Crazy.
Win the Wind Charmer. Our last pack from this box. Ultimate Sulkin. Droplets. Oof, Unicorn.
Oh, the new art.
With the girl riding
There
it.
it is.
Ibly.
Ibly.
Yep.
And you need this,
Ibly's
right?
right.
Yes, I do. It's beautiful.
It really is a nice artwork.
Add
Oh,
that to the binder.
Golden Lord, Deep Sea Diva, Rose,
Rose.
and
Signet
Mining.
Yep.
Alright, next box.
It looks
get in there.
beautiful.
You want to open it or you want me to just...
I'll open it.
Yeah, let's see.
We all want to open things.
I guess I'll be third.
Here.
You'll never be third. If you ain't first, you're last.
I don't mind being last either.
Damage all the packs.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Yeah.
The weather. Oh,
No, multi-faking. Oh, isn't the new Ultra
Parker.
stuff in here?
Another gold. That's
And
super
another
sick.
Bacaba.
and then
Another mech.
Oh, there's 2 golds per thing. I didn't even realize.
yeah, super pack.
That's why it's more expensive.
Oh man, he's got gold rare.
Alan
Oh, it's
Burson.
Alan Burson. There you go. That's the math back shit.
Yep.
Wants that
Prank
boy.
Kids,
That guy's expensive.
Dark
Ooh,
Magician.
Dark Magician.
That looks pretty nice, actually.
Prank Kids,
It's all this
and
in
Numeron Network.
Hope so.
Kind of, yeah,
Yep.
sure. We promise.
Let's
No,
just
there's
say
no-
it is.
So there's no side frame in here.
We don't need to reopen up another case, not at all. Look, multi-faker. Oh,
Numeron,
yeah, the numerons are in here. I gotta pick up a
Prank
core of that.
Kids, Cyber, another Dark Magician,
Magician.
Twin Twisters.
Out of order. Tagamucha Knight. That's a good...
Yeah, those are actually pretty good
But
refills.
does anybody even like that Dark Magician art?
I don't either. He's
I don't
weird.
mind
He's
it.
green. I hate the blue eyes from LOB2.
6M for some
There's a
reason.
second
Weather
LOB.
shit. Another
Get off the
evocation.
table. We must have
Yo, these.
Oh, I got triple, bro.
Yo,
That's not
these
bad.
boxes are lit.
Who's going next? You're here.
I
Right?
will.
I'll take my
All right.
These boxes were lit as hell.
guess
So
I'll do my
far,
next.
things have been going well.
You're next. All right.
A lot of Eldritch.
He just caught you.
For
in
whatever
one.
reason.
He saw that there was Eldritch. He didn't see the access code talker. He jumped in. All right, go ahead. Stay in frame. We're not going to have this problem again.
What are their alternate ones?
Red Eyes Dragon.
Red Ice is ass.
Why does
Weird, bro.
He has small arms.
Why does Unicorn look like he's like trying to kick off Ib?
Move down, move down.
Ebonios.
Merchant
There
Marine?
is
Alan Burschen.
Another one.
Is that an alternate art?
No, it's not alternate.
It looks like it.
And Dark
What an
Magician.
unnecessary reprint. No one has activated that card in 10 years.
You're the first one.
Why complaining? Because there's
Yeah,
so
you
many
want
cards that need to be reprinted and they reprint random junk. It's frustrating.
Oh,
People love Dark
There's
Magician.
junk sync on?
No, none of the junks are in here, and they should have been.
No junk. Goddamn.
No junk allowed.
Like, Scrap Chimera, is that in here?
Yeah, it is. Hey, Lambda, I need that. Tenki.
Right
At
after the
one.
ban list.
Yep.
At one
That's a
for
cool cheat on that.
Yep.
Oh,
And
unnecessary
Tempest.
reprint. Okay,
And
you're
then-
right. That didn't deserve
This
it.
set
Yep.
should be renamed Unnecessary Reprint.
Unnecessary reprint.
The set. Majesty's Fiend.
Come on,
Dual Devastator for fuck's sake.
Scrap Wyvern. Red one Neos.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Ooh, what a bit.
Oh, that's my bae right there. She's so pretty.
Elite. Brains. Chamber.
Not chamber.
pretty good.
Chamber's
She's
a
so
good pull.
pretty. Give me that card. Give me that picture.
I didn't even see which one it was.
Later, yeah.
What if it's a rainbow one?
Oh, no.
That's the bae right there. The face of Reddit.
Sugar wine.
She's the face of Yu-Gi-Oh! Reddit. And don't you forget it.
Their Majesty's Fiend. Gold Sark. Ooh, actually, we're looking for
It's in
that.
gold.
Somebody pulls a nice. I'll just buy it off.
Well, they
Gold
all
Sark
want
and
it,
gold.
so if they're pulling their
Oh,
And
I'll be
you know.
taking that. Thank you.
You're going to be
Correct.
taking that?
Hells yeah.
Yep.
There's no names. I can't hear it.
I'll
It's
take the-
familiar possessed. We're not going to have a negative discussion. Get in the front of the camera. Last time, I'm not going to get the amount of hate that I got.
You got hate?
Still. Yeah.
Oh no.
You got hate?
Were you guys mean in the comment section? Leave it down below and continue to be mean. Continue to be mean.
Yes.
He was-
Alright.
Continue to be mean. We love it.
Damn, I'm not.
That's the
Firewall. Alternate art.
Albert.
Calibration again. for some
Broken
reason.
line.
Tempest.
Tempest.
His pack is exactly the same.
Yeah. I was just
Damn, I should have changed my choice.
It's an alternate.
Watch me get
Those first two are cracked and now they're all garbage.
Exode Elixir.
Rescue
Ooh, Rescue
Cat.
Cat.
That's a nice one.
The alternate.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh!
I should have changed my choice. Always negative. Always negative with
Well,
this
it
guy.
became positive.
Cat, and he got
How many
the
packs are in
pot
there?
in one
4.
pack.
That's actually
Yeah.
15.
That cat looks cool as hell.
I go half.
There we go.
Oh,
Gamma.
Doga. Why is
Doga.
that in
Doga.
there?
Doga's in there?
Don't and like you're both in there.
And
This is the
Lavia.
collection of
Lagia.
random.
Lagia.
Bad connection.
He has that connection, dude.
Yeah, dude. Because of that brain dinosaur.
You
player.
summon
No
Alright.
quick effect on that.
Ooh, I'm Raj.
No.
No. Oh,
Oh,
Exode.
you win! You win! You win automatically!
That looks nice. Here, yo. Come on over. Who's next? Oh, yeah, you're next.
I am.
You know how to hold the camera. I don't have to babysit you.
Well, you don't have to hold the camera. It's,
Hold
on,
the
a
camera.
it's on a tripod.
Tripod.
Yeah.
He's a
I mean, I got a lot of good stuff.
It's a nice looking Exodia piece. Somebody's gonna take it, alright?
Are you moving?
Just gonna take it. No big deal. Let go of my pack. Oh my god.
There's like probably no money. I'll pick it up on you anyway.
Yeah, this pack's a low ball.
It's a rare. What am I supposed to say?
No, it's a gold.
I'll take more rescue
I only
kids.
have 20s on me.
Oh, I like
That
that.
looks nice.
That
It really
actually
does.
rare.
Who's that, a pond?
No, go away, Rose. I don't care about you. Gyrax.
Oh, you pulled Black Rose Dragon?
Yeah, but I don't want that gold rare striker nonsense.
I'll take the baby.
Go away. Yes.
Wyver Buster. What? Why is he in here?
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's the good one.
I do
You know
want
who's
that.
gonna want
I
that?
do want that.
Oh, man.
He said he wants.
Oh, that's too
Oh,
bad.
shucks. Alright, but I get the red eye.
I really appreciate the fact that they get that art nice,
Trinkets.
like holographic.
I'm already Tracer. Sorry, copyright. Prank Kids, Upstart, and Kagemuja. Alright, can we get something cool at the end? Like, really cool? Like, I don't know,
Like Ice Bear?
Access? Access Code Talker?
I'm sure you'll get it.
Oh, now you want to be positive? Why is this... Why are they stuck? They're stuck. Hold on. Alright, so whatever. Numeron, Eldritch, okay. Mecha...
Misprint.
That's not oh, misprint.
They were so stuck together. Holy crap, what happened?
Hoping.
Point scales is in here?
Alright, I guess that's it, right?
Is it?
That's it?
Yeah,
that's it. Yay, we're all good. Bye, everybody.
No,
Enjoy,
get
like,
one more.
sub, and
We have
subscribe.
one more.
Yeah.
You're getting one.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll just say.
actually, got 3.
Oh yeah, you're getting them too. Yeah. All right, we're opening a fresh case. They're exclusive for you guys.
Yeah, this is just in.
After party.
All right, you're getting Encore. I got you. You wanted 2, and then what about you, Bob?
Me and Bob are going half.
On 1?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait for him to pull the stuff I need and me
Here.
not pull the stuff
Yo,
he
Bob,
needs.
where are you?
I
Alright.
found some more.
Go ahead.
I'm getting the ones on the right, and you're getting the ones not from this one.
Do you need anything?
I'll get the one that is
Oh.
ones.
Knock the whole thing.
Or this pack?
Oh, it's outta here.
One make it
They're like doing the most extreme negotiation over there.
Scrap Wyvern, closer.
Move it down.
Rainbow Neos,
Ooh,
That's
danger.
it.
That's
the C.
That was a random reprint. That looks serious.
Oh, that's not bad either.
He's the
Conquistador.
We golden, boys?
We are golden.
Is there any other
I was hoping they would
other
print
than
the whole deck in golden. It looks so nice. The
was
golden deck,
all in
the
there.
golden deck in
They
gold.
didn't? I thought they did.
It is
Now it is, yeah.
Numeron.
The hell is that?
I don't know. Numeron Chaos
A
Ritual.
ritual.
It's not a ritual
And
spell, though.
gold.
Summon limit. That's not
That's
bad.
a good print. Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, that ugly firewall art.
Let me read.
So ugly.
It really is. It's like
It's
Microsoft
so
Paint.
ugly.
That's right. That looks terrible. That art is so bad.
So
Yeah.
stupid.
It kind of looks like you.
No, it kind of does. I kind of look at it.
Whoa.
Whispers in the distance.
What is that?
I don't know any of these.
Look at your
Bro.
hand
Nonsense.
shaking. Why are you falling apart?
Stop being
No,
nervous.
look. I'm trying my best over here.
Try a little harder.
You're as tall as a
What he
tripod, so you're having a rough time.
Whoa. That goes
Moonlit.
What is that?
Oh,
Holy shit. Oh, that's plasma. That looks
Plasma
so
looks
cool.
so
I will
weird.
Weird. Probably.
Alright, man. That's some
Just
shit.
give me.
Woo! Fun.
Here.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, I'll open one. What did you say you wanted?
Oh yeah, I have to
Access
pay
code?
you.
I got you. Give me a second. I'll get you the access code just because you asked.
Just take that.
He'll actually do it too.
Spring sword. My favorite weather painters.
Hey, I'll take that.
Where is it?
IP.
Need a copy.
Hold on. Ava, Fossil Dyna.
Extravagance. He's got a whole Eldritch core.
Oh, wait. I might play Eldritch.
Tyranno. Who the hell is that? Numeron Storm.
Yo, what is with the Numeron cards?
Yeah, what are they?
Imports.
Wait, aren't the new
I
stuff in here?
Oh, go ahead.
I just wanted to see.
Yeah, the whole package is in here.
Starlight Road and.
Oh, it's just a number.
Oh, that's
information
not
tanky.
access code.
All right, so
You
gotta pull it. I
lied.
said I'm gonna get it.
But you didn't.
Is a possibility on Earth.
That's for Numeronis. Destroys many spells.
I'll stand behind
points
it. Shit.
possible.
Right,
Controls
kid.
possible and inflict 1,000 damage.
Another
Dang, that shit looks hard. Oof, and Oviraptor. Let me see that. You gotta show that to the camera. We gotta sell to the perfs.
Oh, that's the alternate art.
Yeah.
Oh.
The sleeves are coming in next week.
Telling everything.
She's got a tail nobody knew about.
It wasn't the original art.
It was.
Numeron
No, it
Chaos.
wasn't.
Numeron nonsense.
She
then
got off the roller
Oh,
coaster.
third
Dark
one.
magicians now.
Dark Magician.
Guess you're playing Dark Magician.
Dark magicians.
Is it Blue Eyes too? But
Ooh.
Nessie.
Nessie. Right there. Wait.
Fire!
that looks really
Holy
good.
shit!
And Summer Limit.
No, looks
Let me
fire
see
as
it. That looks the
hell.
best
That
looking.
looks like lightning.
Wow.
That looks better than Ultimate Rare, honestly.
That looks
And I
amazing.
have an Italian one.
Look at that.
Hey.
Nice.
Well, enjoy it for now.
And that's
There it is.
All right, anyone else? That's it.
Nope.
I'll take the last thing.
Alright.
Now I'm addicted.
Two packs.
Yeah.
Cardboard crack.
This is mine, right?
Cardboard crack.
Yeah. All right, two more. It's too many
Yeah.
boxes. We lied. All
really only need like.
right, here, get in there.
Please note it. Please post on the comments. What do you think of our lie?
There's no lie. There's just confusion.
There you go. I'll take that out for you.
I just opened it off camera, my bad.
This is where the access code is.
Yeah.
Snuck it in.
Oh, Mirage. Ancient Fusion, that's cool.
Nessie.
Nessie. And
Torrential.
That's nice.
Random.
Torrential's nice.
Now that art looks terrible. Because
I
they
mean,
didn't even do anything about that. Look.
Yeah, the Torrential
that's the
itself.
Water doesn't have anything?
Nothing. There's no gold on the
Why?
art. It's just on the border.
It's so stupid.
That's terrible. That's a terrible.
Did they give it to Regeki? Regeki has
No,
gold,
Regeki
right?
looks beautiful.
Prank
So dumb.
Kids.
Hey.
Man, those things are like water.
Well, now we have the playset.
Got super lucky.
It's just coming out like nothing.
So dumb.
This might be the time to pick that up.
What is
Version.
that? Version. It looks like
Regeki.
another Regeki.
And you wanted it too. What a coincidence.
I can eat it later.
Wow.
It might taste like lightning. I might get lightning powers.
Static Shock.
Fossil Dyna.
The
Yeah,
refrigerator.
you already have the season.
Rose.
Get out of here, Rose.
No access code. No red eyes.
Never
No,
red eyes.
blue eyes.
I was gonna help, but okay.
No helping.
That's a little late.
There's no helping. There's no red eyes. There's no nothing.
There is access code
There's no
though.
access code. He's a man.
Driver.
Nose being negative.
Baby.
Bigfoot,
Ooh,
but not
the
the
moon.
alt art. Yeah. The alt art looks like a
Yeti.
It's Yita. Pronounced Yita, dude.
Yeet. Throw the whole card.
It's Eastern European.
Numeron.
Nonsense.
Vala. Numeron calling.
More Numeron.
More Numeron.
Garbage.
Okay, I have 2 quarters of my
Get
pack.
your number.
I am a number now.
I need 2 quarters of my pack.
Aren't the Altergeist cards supposed to be in here? Where the hell are
Yeah.
they?
We put like three. We put
Maybe they're short
like
printed.
3 rare ones. Oh, Tyrano. A lot about dinos. It's over.
I haven't seen an
Right.
Altergeist card in like 15 minutes.
I honestly don't understand why they printed Ray and Rose in here. It makes no sense.
Gotta have them at every rarity.
Like, they had 3 printings before that. Who wanted gold?
I hate them anyway.
Trishula.
Yeah, we know you hate them.
And
Lagia.
Lagia.
Lagia. No quick effect. Alright, folks. Is that it? That's it.
That's it.
That's
I hope you enjoyed.